In today's recording, we will demonstrate how to properly create a shipping method using the Sylius platform. On the left bar, find the Shipping Methods tab. You will be redirected to a panel with all the shipping methods available inside your organization. To create a new method, click the Create button. Sylius will now ask you to fill in the individual data. For this recording, we will create a shipping method called DPD Poland. In the Zone tab, select the country where you want the shipping method to be available. In our case, it will be Poland. Then select the priority. In the Availability bar, you can select which channel you would like to choose to implement this method. In the Additional Requirements section, you can select the option available only with our subscription plugin. For this video, let's leave this option unchanged. In the next step, select the amount. Then, choose the one that suits you best from the 3 available options under the Category tab. In the next step, select a tax category. In this case, we chose clothing. We left the shipping charges field unchanged, and the amount that will be charged for shipping will be $10. In the Rules tab, Sylius allows you to use rules you can include when creating a new shipping method. In the next step, provide the new method's name in English and Polish. At the very end, click the Create button to complete the process of creating a new shipping method. Now let's present the given shipping method on the store page. First, add the product of your choice to the shopping cart. As you may notice, there are 2 products in the shopping cart. This is because one of the products we added was already in the shopping cart. Proceed to the checkout process. In this process, the most crucial thing will be to set the appropriate zone in which the shipping method will apply. In this case, it will be Poland. As you can see, our shipping method is available.